Are you looking for a high-quality home, power, or lifestyle product at the best price? Welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing an amazing product that is becoming very popular among buyers around the world. If you are planning to buy a reliable and useful product for your home, personal comfort, fitness, cleaning, transportation, or outdoor use, then this video will help you make the right decision. This product is one of the best-selling items in its category and has already received many positive reviews from satisfied customers. People love it because of its strong performance, premium design, useful features, and affordable price compared to other similar products available on the market. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its excellent build quality. It is made with durable materials that are designed to last for a long time. Whether you use it every day for home cleaning, personal comfort, fitness training, power backup, transportation, or outdoor work, it provides stable and reliable performance. If you are someone who always looks for the best value for money, then this product is definitely worth considering. Instead of spending more money on expensive alternatives, you can get excellent performance and premium quality at a much more reasonable price. Before buying any product, it is always important to check customer feedback, ratings, and real user experiences. This product has already proven itself with strong sales numbers and positive buyer responses, which makes it a safer and smarter purchase decision. If you're interested in buying this product, you can find the product link